at the window, I hear the whisper of the rain. Falling raindrops soak my heart, as if washing away our individual worries. One by one they quietly dissolve. Holding your hand, I wish to walk in this rain. Without an umbrella, getting wet is okay. Let's send all our worries away with this rain. Walking together in the rain, even the noise of the world fades away. This rain is like a gift, a drop of worry, 2 drops, 3 drops, you and I, washing away our worries. When the rain stops, the world becomes clearer. The path washed by rain, shining in the sunlight. Our hearts now clear as well, welcoming a new start with this rain. Singing the song of a rainy day together, dreaming again the dreams we forgot, forgetting all worries as the rain pours. Looking at each other with pure hearts, walking together in the rain. Even the noise of the world fades away. This rain is like a gift, a drop of worry, 2 drops, 3 drops, you and I, washing away our worries. On a rainy day, just the 2 of us, leaving our worries behind. With each raindrop, our worries too. Quietly, one by one, fade from